In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Loop language. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Loop settings to add a new language and set it as your default so the interface appears in the language you prefer. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Microsoft Loop page. This landing page introduces the app and provides a quick entry point. When you're there, click Get Started with Loop. That button opens the Loop web app in your workspace so you can access your pages, components, and settings. Once Loop loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. That's where the settings area lives. You'll typically see a gear icon or a menu that opens your account and app preferences. Click in that area to open the settings menu. In the panel or menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you into the main settings view where you can manage preferences that affect your overall Loop experience, including the display language. Inside Settings, find the Languages section. This is where Loop lists the languages currently associated with your account. Open the Languages page to manage them. You'll notice Loop supports multiple languages, which lets you keep more than one on file and prioritize the one you want to see first. Click Add another language. A selector will pop up with a list of available options. Use the search bar or scroll to find the language you want. If your language has regional variants, pick the one that matches your preference, since variants can affect things like spelling and formatting conventions. After you've highlighted your choice, click Add. You'll now see that language in your list. Next, locate the three-dot menu next to the language you just added. Click those three dots to open the actions for that language, then choose Move to Top. Moving a language to the top sets it as your primary display language in Loop. The interface typically updates shortly after you change the order. If you don't see changes right away, give it a moment while Loop refreshes the setting. That's it. You went to the Loop site, opened the app, navigated to Settings, added your language, and moved it to the top to make it your default. You can return to the Languages section anytime to add more options or reorder them again. This is especially helpful if you collaborate across regions and want to switch the interface quickly before a meeting or a project. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Microsoft Loop in the language that feels most natural to you.